Wild horses have been living in the Lower Salt River area since before the Tonto National Forest was established in 1902. The horses are believed to be descendants of Spanish colonial or Iberian horses brought to the Southwest by explorers in the 16th century. There are approximately 300 wild horses roaming in this area. They roam on approximately 20,000 acres of Forest Service land, which includes 12 miles of the Lower Salt River. Visitors can see horses while kayaking, paddleboarding, or tubing down the river.